What's up guys? Everyone has a power bank, because the battery of the most smartphones is not enough for the day of active use. In addition, the power bank is very useful when traveling. However, I have a power bank, which is not very suitable for travel because of its size and a large battery capacity. I think it is better to use it with laptops, because it has a 100-watt USB-C port. It is able to charge the laptop, tablet, smartphone, or any other devices. The power bank also has a Cyberpunk transparent case and even IPS display. So this is Shargeek Storm 2, and today we are going to test it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers, and let's start the review with unboxing. The new power bank comes in a black box with a Shargeek logo on the front. You know the box is quite heavy, because the power bank has a capacity of 25,600 mAh. When you open the box, you will find a user manual, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a carrying bag, and a power bank. You know, if you do plan to take this power bank on trips, the bag will be very useful. The design is definitely a feature of this product, because it has a transparent case and we can see everything inside. There are 4 18,650 batteries from Samsung in this power bank, as well as different chips and controllers. By the way, it looks like you can disassemble the case and take out the batteries. There are 4 bolts on the side. We can read the battery capacity of the power bank and specifications of each port. On the other side, there's DC in-out, USB-C 1 in-out, USB-C 2 out, and USB-A out ports. Pay attention to the warning about do not insert any input devices when DC output is switched on. Another feature of a Shargeek Storm 2 power bank is an IPS display. First, you can see the ports status of the connected devices, such as USB-C 1, USB-C 2, USB-A, DC in, and DC out. Then there is a battery level of power bank at the top right corner, and input status is a little lower. We can also see the input and output status. For example, my iPhone supports 15-watt fast charging, and we can really see about 12-watt on the power bank display. Finally, there is the temperature of the battery pack, temperature of the circuit board, and the running time of the whole system at the bottom right corner. I am already very impressed by this power bank, but that's not even all the features of it. You can press and hold the button to the right of the display to access the settings menu. Here we have DC output setup, so you can configure the DC output voltage, battery information, which contains details about battery pack. It shows the voltage of each battery cell, the battery cycles, and battery life. And then we can change the temperature units from Celsius to Fahrenheit. In the next menu, we can reset the system running time. The display configuration includes display sleep of 1 minute, 5 minutes, or off, and display direction. Finally, we can power off a power bank and exit the settings menu. So Shargeek Storm 2 is not an ordinary power bank, but a smart device with analysis of each battery, measuring their temperatures and other settings. By the way, this power bank also has many different protections, such as input high voltage, output high voltage, extreme high temperature, extreme low temperature, and short circuit protection. Now let's talk about each port of Shargeek Storm 2 power bank. First, there's a DC in-out port on the power bank. You can use it to charge a power bank or other devices. The input power is 75 watt and output power is 72 watt. Unfortunately, there is no DC charging cable in the package. However, you can use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge a power bank. USB-C 1 port supports up to 100 watt. The full charge of power bank takes only 1.5 hours. That is very fast for 25,600 mAh battery. The second USB-C port can only be used to charge mobile devices, because it supports 30 watt. USB-A port has a power of 18 watt. So you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time from this power bank. I also found a picture with output power when 2 or 3 devices are connected simultaneously. You know, I am wondering if I can charge my laptop and 2 smartphones from the Shargeek Storm 2 power bank. Yes, it is possible. All the connected devices are charging. So Shargeek Storm 2 is the most advanced power bank that I have ever seen. I would even call it a mini power station than a power bank, because it has a screen that shows useful information and settings. The display is another feature of this power bank, because it looks like something from the future or even from outer space. Do you like the way it looks? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!